Stocks have been pretty back and forth early. As I speak to you right now, all four indices have just moved back above the flat line, with the S&P being the strongest, up 0.14%. Data released overnight and this morning showing mixed signals. Australian GDP and German Services PMI came in lower than expected, while EU and UK PMI, this is Services PMI by the way, beat expectations. The ADP employment change for May was much weaker than anticipated, with just 37,000 jobs added, and last month was revised down to 60,000 jobs. The Bank of Canada held rates steady but hinted at a possible future rate cut. In the U.S., ISM Services PMI slipped into contraction territory, though the employment and prices components were stronger than expected, with employment returning to expansion. The dollar is lower in aggregate, weakest against the Swiss franc and the yen, with silver lower as well, but gold, copper, and crude oil are all slightly higher. This afternoon, we get the release of the Fed's Beige Book. Markets will watch for signs of easing labor demand, slower spending, and tighter credit across the different Fed districts. Weaker business sentiment or weaker real estate stress could fuel expectations for more rate cuts. The ECB decision is also in focus for tomorrow, with a 25 basis point rate cut expected. Markets are going to also pay attention to whether its further rate cuts are signaled, especially amid their growth concerns and trade risks. Looking ahead, 8 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting earnings after today's close, including MongoDB, Five Below, PVH Corp, Argan Industrials, and Verint Systems. Tomorrow before the open, 6 more report: Brown-Forman, Sienna, Toro Industries, and Victoria's Secret. Data later today, China's Caixin Services PMI. Early tomorrow morning, we get German factory orders, the ECB rate decision, a key jobless claims release in the U.S., and U.S. productivity data.